What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Diverse. What's poppin', OG? You got it, man. Yeah, man, just coming at y'all on another day, another afternoon, getting another little, you know, little workout in, a little jog, a little workout, you know what I mean? Something light, nothing too heavy, but something light, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit that link, hit that like button, subscribe. It's Diverse Music Group. I'm the CEO, it's Diverse. Y'all know what the fuck's going on. Shout out to Memphis. Salute to Memphis. I just want to say, you know what I'm saying? I'm proud of my city and the support that you guys are giving the big homie Young Dolph, man. That's huge. I feel like, you know, his family, his mom, his wife, and you know what I'm saying, everybody on his team pretty much could use that support because he was a great man, you know what I'm saying? He stood for something, you know what I'm saying? He helped a lot of people. He helped his team, and it was unfortunate, the situation he was caught up in just a few days ago. But man, let's just give our condolences and you know what I'm saying, our proper due respect to that brother, man, for sure. So salute to Young Dolph, salute to the Paper Route camp, you know what I'm saying, all his loyal people, because we about to get into it of you know, just about disloyalty, man. You know, I get on this channel, man, and y'all know me, I talk a lot about your energy, your frequency, being around the right people, making sure that you surrounding yourself around like-minded individuals that want to see you win, people that want to see you become successful, people that want to see you succeed, people that want to win with you, people that want to sit at your table and be someone that brings some, not only sits at the table, but actually brings something of value to whatever circumstances that you have going. And just doing my proper research and my proper due diligence on Young Dolph, because honestly, I really didn't know much about him. I knew his work ethic, and you hear things in the streets, you know, I get people come up to me and be like, yo, you know, I met Young Dolph passing out his CDs, doing what you doing and stuff like that. But, you know, other than meeting Paper Route Rule and running into Michi Great, you know what I'm saying, in the streets, other than that, and running into a few individuals along with his camp, I never had the opportunity to meet him. And that's really unfortunate, because I know that would have been a great experience to be able to share, you know, our experiences and, you know, probably get some game from Young Dolph and learn something from him, you know what I'm saying? Maybe be able to get some advice from him, you know what I'm saying? But it's just unfortunate that I'll never get that experience. But that's okay, though, because I'm still striving. But anyway, check it out, man. I just want to make sure I come at y'all before I get this workout in. We're going to talk about a few things. On November 22nd, 2021, that's four number twos. That's a huge synchronicity right there within itself. You know, if anybody knows anything about the synchronization of numbers and repeating numbers, you definitely want to go look up the meaning of 222, you know what I'm saying? Quadruple twos and triple twos, you know what I mean? That's a high energy, high vibrational number. So I'm glad I'm be able to come at you on this specific day, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's been in the news and different media outlets that you know, it's a few members of within his own organization, within his own camp, that were in cahoots to, you know, set up the big homie, you know what I'm saying? And my only question is this, man, because it's been a lot of different stories and a lot of different things, and a lot of people talking on our city, but they not even from Memphis, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people get it misconstrued, regardless of where you was born at. They say Dolph was born in Chicago. Well, hell, I was born in California, but I was raised in Memphis. I might have been a baby when I was born somewhere, but my roots and the things that I know and everything that I know in my DNA is Memphis, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, can't nobody tell me different. You can't tell me I'm from somewhere else when I was raised here, my grandma here, my family here, everybody that I know is from the city. So it ain't no way in hell you finna tell me that my roots are from somewhere else. But anyway, I find that kind of crazy how they try to say that Young Dolph is oh, just because he's Chicago, whatever. He was born there. He didn't have most of his roots, a majority of his roots there. You know what I'm saying? His majority of his roots and the majority of his family and people he know and things of that nature is from Memphis. You feel me? Most of his fans and shit like that. So, you know, it's a lot of outside sources speaking on Memphis and shit, saying this and that, saying this and that. But Memphis is a small city, man. Y'all got to understand that. News travel real fast. And ain't no bitches or pussies on this side. Excuse my French. But ain't a lot of bitch ass niggas over on this side. But it is some now. You know what I'm saying? So I can't say that. And the people that partook in that situation, that's a part of that side. You know what I'm saying? But I can say this, man. It's a lot of stuff coming out that the big homie was infiltrated by, you know, people within his own camp, within his own structure. And it's unfortunate, you know what I'm saying? You know, they found the car in the same area, in the same hood as a lot of those guys frequent. A few paper route cats frequent it. So it's just kind of crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, how this shit unfolding, man. It's like, you know, that's why I speak on, you know, watching your circle, watching your surroundings, watching the people around you. Because what I noticed about Dolph was, yeah, he showed a lot of love. He actually accepted a lot of people from the South Memphis area to become a part of Paper Route. He believed in a lot of individuals as far as their talent is concerned, and gave a lot of these young cats opportunity to wear their Paper Route chain. And what I'm seeing now is a lot of disrespect. You getting people not posting rest in peace, not saying and speaking highly of the guy. You know, you got a lot of people that's wearing his chain, that was a part of his movement, wearing his chain, wearing the Paper Route Empire chain, but y'all not repping. Y'all not really pushing the big homie up there. Y'all not trying to, I see, you know, a lot of people ain't, you know, there's people sliding, but the main people that was a part of his crew not really speaking out, you know what I'm saying, not really saying much. So it's looking real, you know, what I want to say, it's looking real spooky right now. You know what I'm saying? It's looking real, you know, it's a lot of speculation on that. You know what I'm saying? It's not looking too bright for them cats. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's obvious that my guy had, you know, weak links within the org, even weak links within his own crew. You know, and I'm hearing that it was, you know, also people that was a part of his family, his actual flesh and blood, and you know, and so you hear a lot of things, but I just want to say, man, it goes back to, you know, just, you know, not getting too comfortable, you know, and it's unfortunate that sometimes, man, you comfortable, dog. We not in this life walking in fear. We not getting up every day saying, well, today's the day I'm finna go. You know what I'm saying? We not walking in life like that. You know, we know every day we walk outside our house, it's a risk that we can take of losing our life or losing a loved one or something happening. You know what I'm saying? It's just a risk that you got to take every day. So nobody's guaranteed to, you know what I'm saying, live. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, you know, everybody got their certain time and certain season to be here, you know what I'm saying, and then enjoy life, you know what I'm saying. It's unfortunate that, you know, and I really truly honestly believe that, you know, you can prevent death in a certain way. You can be you know, God did make a turtle. He didn't make a turtle without a shell, you know what I'm saying. There's certain creatures out here that do have mechanisms to protect themselves from harm and danger, you know what I'm saying. So I do understand that, you know, we can prevent death, you know what I'm saying, but in some cases, if you just not up on it and you just don't know what can happen and you just not really thinking on that level, then, you know, you leave your guards down and, you know, certain things, you leave the door open for certain things to happen. It's unfortunate and sad, but you also can learn from this situation and learn that once you reach a certain amount of money, once you reach a certain amount of status, you cannot move in the same way. You know, they say things can happen to you in any city. That's true. But the odds of it is low because If I'm in Memphis, I'm known everywhere because this city is just one big ass circle. It's just one big ass circle. When you get on I-240 and you make that loop, you're gonna pass every hood in the city. Everybody know that if you're from Memphis, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, if I upped and left this bitch and went to Atlanta or went to New York, nobody's gonna even know me. I'm gonna be a new face. So the odds of me making it there is better because of the opportunity of me being a new person, a new face, somebody that's new from a whole nother city. They like people, when you come from a whole nother city, you wonder why you get more love in other cities. It's because you a new face, you a new opportunity. They know you a new person, that you getting used to things and that you're not from usually over there. So they're gonna be more quick to help you. They're gonna be more quick to see what you got going because you a new person. They're gonna wanna network with you because you a new person. You're not somebody we see every day. So you could be anybody. The opportunity and the value you bring goes up because you're a new person. So that means that when I'm saying this, once your value go up, you can't be in the same. You can see family members and stuff like that. But as far as letting friends and people that you know where you're gonna be at, and you gotta have paid security. People that don't do drugs, that's not on no kind of lean, that's not always on their phone and all that. They are alert. They on point. They watching left and they watching right. They watching the front, the back. You know what I'm saying? They gotta protect you like the president, man. And I'm pretty sure if he had high niggas, shooters on high alert outside this store, that wouldn't have never happened. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, man, it's unfortunate, bro. You know what I'm saying? But it's also a lesson to be learned in it that, you gotta be careful. You gotta be, watchful. You gotta know how to move when you get a certain kind of prestige, when you get a certain kind of money, when you get a certain kind of value. You can't go around the same individuals that got lesser than you. That would be stupid because they looking at you like an opportunity to come up now at this point. You no longer the broke person that you were sleeping on mama's couch no more, or on the floor no more. Now you the person with the Ferrari. You the person with the unlimited bank account that can give opportunity and make opportunity for anybody. You know what I'm saying? You become an opportunity for people to take advantage of. So then you gotta be smarter. You gotta understand that when you in the hood, if you go into the hood, you need at least 2 or 3 motorcade cars behind you, following you at all times. You know what I'm saying? What's up, sir?
What's up, man?
All right. You know what I'm saying? You want at least a 3 motorcade behind you, making sure you secured at any area or any point that you go. You know what I'm saying? You gotta protect yourself. You gotta vest up. You in the land of, this is the land of, you know what I'm saying? Man, look, man, this the wild, wild west out here, cuz. So, when you move in a certain kind of way, you got a certain kind of money, you gotta vest up, my nigga. You gotta wear them thick vests, man, that, you can't penetrate. You know what I'm saying? You gotta wear the metal mask. Now, I'm not saying that, I know this gonna kind of mess up your stilo a little bit, mess up your swag, but you a meal ticket now, cuz. You a meal ticket, you know what I'm saying? And it's sad, bro. Like, it really is, bro. It's sad, bro. You know what I'm saying? That you can't just go in your city and get you something out the bakery and chill, you know what I'm saying, and have a cool day and give back to the community. Man, my nigga was just gonna do a little turkey drive, things like that, and just do something. He just did a thing for the cancer patients. And, you know what I'm saying, gave back to them. So my nigga was making moves, bro. He was being positive, doing what the fuck he had to do to take care of his family, his team. And what I'm noticing was, man, there was a lot of people along with in his organization that was snakes, man. It was people that was leeching off of him. It's people speaking on his name, talking about, man, I was, you know what I'm saying, I did a song with him. I just got signed with Paper Route 2 years ago, and I just got a song with him 2 months ago. Woo, woo, woo. So they looking at it like, damn, he could have been did a song with me, and they jealous. They looking at, this is what's going on, man. Instead of looking at they plate, instead of looking at the shit and opportunities they can make for themselves, they looking at what Young Dolph could do for them. You know what I'm saying? How you gonna be on a team? How the coach gonna want to win more than the team, dog? How the coach of the team gonna want to win more than the fucking players, man? You know what I'm saying? Y'all took the opportunity to be on Paper Route. So if y'all took the opportunity, that mean that, hell, nigga, you need to be grinding harder than me. You can't let me outwork you. I can't want it. The boss can't want it more than the players, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta work. You gotta work. You gotta put in that work and that grind. And if you notice, the people that was putting in the work and the grind, those are people that he was around. The artists that was putting in the work, putting in the effort, getting in the studio, getting on social media, doing different creative things, those the artists he was fucking with. Paper Route, Woo, you know what I'm saying? Key Glock, you know what I'm saying? A few other cats, you know what I'm saying? And so it's like, you know, like, man, you know what I'm saying? You can only fuck with the people that's really working. If you on my team and you ain't really doing shit, then you really just taking up space, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? You wonder why you ain't getting the features and you ain't getting this and you ain't getting the accolades. It's because you ain't really putting the work in. You rather be in the trap more than the studio. You rather spend money on drugs more than real estate. My nigga, you know what I'm saying? You ain't thinking how the boss thinking. So if you ain't thinking like me, then I gotta separate myself from you. And niggas get jealous, niggas start talking. That's when you start to get the snakes in the group. That's when you start to get loose links within the chain. You know what I'm saying? That's when you start getting niggas backbiting on you, talking about you, talking behind your back, linking with your enemies and shit like that, leaving the camp, going on the other side and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? That's just real street shit. That's how niggas do. Niggas will cross you out because they feel like you got a certain amount and they feel like you owe them something. But meanwhile, you running around the city with my chain on. It's like you niggas running around this bitch with diverse music on, you know what I'm saying? But you going against me at the same time, but you using my name as clout. That's how that shit is, man. That's disloyalty, bro. And the game ain't really even based off loyalty, it's based off respect. And that's very disrespectful. The niggas got Paper Route Empire on their neck and they ain't even start that shit. That ain't come from them. That wasn't created by them. They took out the man that created that. You know what I'm saying? They took out the man that created Paper Route. So why the hell do niggas got these niggas chains on and shit like that? Making videos and all that shit, man. That shit just weird as fuck, bro. This shit cap as hell, bro. You know what I'm saying? Then they took the boss. They took the Don Dada out. So now what? You took the money away from the city. Now what we got? What we gonna do now? You know what I'm saying? It's like, damn. You done took the money, the opportunity away for niggas to get on. You done took the opportunity away to make moves. Now what? You know what I'm saying? So it's just crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? I think my mom pulling up and all that, to drop my kids off from daycare. So I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm doing some more videos soon, and especially about credit and stuff like that, and just to give y'all a few gems, a few more gems of knowledge on how I ended up getting my business credit established. So I'm gonna be getting up with y'all on that. Man, salute to y'all, man. Peace and love. Drop a comment, drop a link, man. I was just sharing my thoughts, getting my little workout on, man. And so shit, like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Make a comment, drop a comment or whatever. And feel free to, you know what I mean, share and tag this joint if you like what you hear. Peace and love, y'all. Salute.